So, you're trying to get the Starbucks Partner Hours app on your Android, right? And if you've looked in the Play Store, you probably already know it's not there. Well, don't worry. I'm going to show you the secret to getting it installed the official way.
Yeah, so you're a partner, you open up the Google Play Store, you search for the Schedule app, and poof, nothing. It's frustrating, right? But listen, you're not going crazy, I promise. You are looking in the wrong place. But hey, it's not your fault at all. The thing is, the official partner app isn't just sitting out there on the public Play Store. It's a private app, so getting it is a little different. But trust me, it's actually super simple once you know the secret. All right, let's just get this done. It's a really simple four-step plan. First, we're going to install a kind of gateway app. Then we'll set it up, log in with your partner info, and boom, that'll give you access to the actual schedule app. Ready? Let's go. Okay, first things first, open up your Google Play Store. Now, instead of searching for the Starbucks app, you're going to search for and install something called Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub. Yeah, I know, weird name. But this is the secure gateway app that Starbucks uses to manage everything. Okay, so once you've got Intelligent Hub installed and you open it up, it's going to ask for a server address. Now, this part is absolutely crucial. You need to type in exactly what you see here, appcafe.starbucks.com. Don't misspell it. Next up, after the server, it'll ask for a group ID. And this one, super easy to remember. Just type the word partner, all in uppercase letters. That's it. And hey, just so you know, this is all totally legit. This entire method comes straight from the official Starbucks Quick Reference Guide. So yeah, this is the secure, company-approved way to do this. No funny business. All right, we're almost there. So after you put in that server and group ID, the hub is going to prompt you to log in. And for this, you'll just use your standard Starbucks global username and your password. You know, this next part is actually pretty cool. As soon as you log in, that Intelligent Hub app creates a secure, separate work profile on your Android phone. What that does is it keeps all your work apps and data totally separate from your personal stuff. And then it'll automatically start installing the real SBX Partner Hours app right into that new profile. You don't have to do a thing. Okay, we are on the home stretch now, for real. The app is now officially on your phone, tucked away inside that work profile. All that's left to do is open it up and log in one last time. So, go find the new SBUX Partner Hours app. You might see a little briefcase icon on it. That just means it's part of your work profile. Go ahead and open it up, enter your partner info again, and that's it. You're done. And just like that, you are in. You now have secure access to check your shifts, request time off, and manage your entire schedule right from your phone. No more guessing games, no more logging into a website. You've got the official app installed the right way. Pretty easy, right?